They paid $570 for this McDonald's play. McDonald's is really a real estate company. He got 19 positions. Dog made 1,000 on it. I gave up smoking weed. I gave up buying weed. I gave up eating out. I gave up liquor. I gave up girls. If you want to make money like me, then you want to join the trading group. Whoa. Before this video start, my social media is going to be right here at the bottom of the screen. So if you feel free to DM me about anything, any type of context, I'm answering all questions. Y'all boys get at me. It's your boy Taqueza Stack. I don't do nothing but keep it a stack. If you're new to trading and need some trading indicators to know when to exit and enter the market in option trades, the link gonna be in my description. It's only $25. These are my top trading indicators that I use personally every day to print money to know when to get in and get out of an option trade. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the link down below. It's gonna be in the description. I gave up Jordans. I gave up going out. I gave up the club. I gave up smoking weed. I gave up buying weed. I gave up eating out. I gave up liquor. I gave up girls. I gave up damn near everything that you could think of as fun to a trap nigga, bro. I gave it all up just to be able to achieve greatness. This episode, we're going to be going over a honey drip trade and honey dip trading review. We're going to do it one more time. You hear me? So this is for all the people that want to know if you can make money in the stock market dealing with Aristotle investments. Yeah, you dig it, Aristotle investments. So we're going to go right to his group chat and we're going to look at the gains from today. We're going to look at all the gains from today. So boom, he dropped this JB HT160 call. This call went from $527 to $1,500. You can see on the screen. It went up 1,000 on total return. Today's return was $310. You could have pulled that money out the market real quick. We gonna scroll up. This person bought Coca-Cola. Damn, he bought Coca-Cola. Damn, he lost money on Coca-Cola, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you. He ain't looking too good. We don't even look at him. Okay, this that Riot play, $39. Here go another play with Coca-Cola, $45. To 40, damn, that wasn't no money, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That was a waste of money right there. He was just trying to get in and out the market. But as you can see, this is Aristotle's free page. People print money daily in his free page all the time. I mean, you could download the group chat personally. You could pay for it. You don't really got to pay for it if you know how to piece it together like me. I know how to piece everything together. But we just doing the honey drip review. As you can see, all the plays that he dropped do print money, bro. You do got a chance at getting money. Starbucks getting money. UPS getting money. Lululemon getting money. You know what I'm saying? Everybody getting money. Look at this Lululemon $300 call. They bought it for $555. It went up to $810. Guy got a return of $255 total. Let's do it. What y'all on? Nvidia was going crazy in the market. They bought it 3 contracts at $266 a piece. He made $500. And you can see he shout out Felony and Brett. Those are 2 admins in Aristotle's trading group. Lululemon, once again, $490. I think that's the same one. No, yeah, that's the same one. We got a SPY play. They made $337. As you can see, everybody in this group chat gets money. Everybody in this group chat getting to the money, man. You know what I mean? Plus 186, plus 65, plus 53. JP Morgan, FedEx. They get into the money, and these are household name brand companies that you could get with yourself too. This person was doing Visa. They made $134 this past week. Look at this person. This person on the S&P 500 made $1,400 in a day, man. Come on, man. This is the best trading group chat you could ever get with. What is this? KR? I think it's Kroger. $34 to $72. He bought 11 contracts. He made a total of $467 a day. I mean, you see the proof in the pudding, man. Everybody is making money who deals with Aristotle and his call-outs. And anybody in his group, look at this. Look, you see the same plays. Everybody keep taking the same plays, too. So that's how you know if this is worth it or not. They was focusing on McDonald's. Look at this McDonald's play. They paid $570 for this McDonald's play. McDonald's is really a real estate company. He got 19 positions. Dog made 1,000 on it. You dig it? Dog made 1,000 on it. Stop playing. The average price was $30. He got 19 of them for $30 a piece. You know what I mean? He getting to the bag. They getting to the bag. Look at this NPC play. I don't even know what company NPC is, but they made 160 on that. This PEP, this Pepsi, this that Pepsi play they made. It cost 125. They sold it for 318. They got a return of $245. So dealing with Aristotle investments, you're gonna try to make a comfortable at least 125 to 250 a day, bro. So that's just me. I don't know what your bag talking about, but make sure you get your bag right. I don't care if you got an Uber, you got to sell weed, you got to work out, you got to clean cars. Find a way to provide a service to spend it and find a way to provide a service and invest half of your money. You want to use 20% of your cheese to get 20%. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But they go this riot play. This riot play was $95. It got to be worth $150. They made $55. You know what I mean? This is just this lunch money, this Jordan money. You know what I mean? This is what you should spend your money on first before you buy anything. I'm a firm advocate and a firm believer of anything that don't benefit you, take away from you, bro. You feel me? So I'm a real investor, gang. Like I invest most of my money just so I can live passively as I want to. I live off information. You can live off this information too. The link to my indicator is gonna be in the description below. You know what I mean? Like I said, the link gonna be in the description below. And I really appreciate Aristotle for giving back to the community. You know, he out there in Atlanta. He bought a big building near the airport. Told the jits come out there, you feel me, gonna give you $100 and he gonna show you this stock market stuff. This stock market stuff changed my life, bro. I was in the street running around doing what I want to do. I'm talking about tone guns, drugs, paraphernalia, everything just to make a way. Now I found the stock market and I print money every day from my phone, bro. So I'm highly grateful to running the Aristotle investments. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's a lot of flim flam, it's a lot of courses, it's a lot of everything on the internet. But Aristotle investments is the best group I done ever joined. I ain't never had to speak down on mans. I ain't never felt like my money was taken advantage of. And I'm a smart guy, bro. And I would say, like, everybody target audience. It's not you, gang. So if this is not for you, bro, then don't even talk about it. You know what I mean? Don't even talk down on it because it's somebody that's going to find this information valuable. And all my stock indicators I came up with myself. I've been trading maybe 2 or 3 years off and on, but I got a firm concept of when to get in and get out of the market. That's probably one of the only things that I can say that you're going to want to need to learn, how to get in and get out of the market. So I ain't going to say I made, but I came up with these trading indicators that I like to use to get in and out of the market. Make sure you click the link in the bio, the link down below to get my trading indicators. They're going to save you money, time, patience, everything like that, bro. So like I say, if that's something y'all interested in, man, make sure y'all give Aristotle Investments a check out. Check that boy out. That boy really giving back to people that look like me and you. So I'm saying.